to this, to that. Oh my gosh. That's a wrap. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Are you saying quite well? Are you saying quite well? Hey bestie, welcome back. It's your girl Juliana Empire Official, and I'm back with another video. So if it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So today I'll be unboxing an Amazon package. Don't want to shake it too hard. Yeah, so I'll be hoping this Amazon package with you guys. So let me tilt the camera a little bit down. Words. And that should be good enough. That should be good. Hold on. Don't want to show too much. But let me just see. It's not open or anything like that. Sorry guys. I'm loving these packages, guys. This is awesome. Okay, that's out of it. So I don't know why they put that brown paper there, but to that. Oh my gosh, that's a wrap. Look at this, look at this. Oh my God. Are you saying quite well? Are you saying quite well? I'm loving these packages. So I will leave in the link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and purchase your free tablets. Okay, let me find a way to open this. Hold on. So I'm gonna be my tablet's finally here. Finally it is here. Oh my God, that's really amazing. That's so amazing. Okay, so there we go. When it comes to these things, I'm loving them. I'm loving these gifts. Oh my God, it couldn't get any better. And guys, let me say this is a fully sponsored video. When I say fully sponsored, it's fully sponsored. So I'll be leaving the name of, oh my God, look at my tablet. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is huge. This is it. It also has a screen protector on it. What else could a girl ask for? It's when you put God first, God definitely make way out. So oh my God, oh my God. So this will be the very first tablet I've ever owned. Let me see where I could. So it needs to charge. It needs to charge. I need to charge it. So let me turn it on. So see, it's coming on. Let me remove the. Let me remove that. See, it's coming on. So you see guys, it's not a dummy or anything like that. Smart life within reach. Smart life within reach. Oh my God. Oh my God. So I'm gonna be putting back. Let me put this back on. Let me put this back on. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. So cute. I'm loving this, guys. So let me show you the charger. So this is the charger. It's a Type-C charger. and there's a little pamphlet, a user guide, so it show you how to put it in English, whatever language that you speak. It's a must. Let me see if there's anything else inside. No, there's nothing else. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you guys are interested in becoming a influencer, don't let anyone stop you. I'm just saying this, don't let anyone stop you. Continue to push hard, and things will definitely work out for you. Please also go over to my Instagram page, Juliana Empire Official. Juliana Empire Official, right across the platform, social media, over Instagram, over on Facebook, over on TikTok. Go over and support my pages, guys. Love you all. And also check out my backup channel, Juliana Empire TV, on YouTube. Check out my backup channel, guys. Love you. Please remember to watch the ads, guys. Watch the ads and share the videos out. Share them out. Love you all. Bye.